Hello everyone, Sunny is here, the founder of Royal Language Academy. I hope you're doing great and everything goes super duper good for you. Today I have a very important lesson for you, and that lesson is how to pronounce different words. I created this lesson for one person in particular, and that is no one but Mr. President Donald Trump. Okay, Mr. President, no offense, you seem to have a little trouble with pronunciation. Okay, I feel like you sometimes slaughter, massacre, chop, and mispronounce some words. As an English teacher, I am going to offer my help. You might need it.
I'm very highly educated. I know words, I have the best words.
Right, no, you mean I am wrong? Seriously? Okay, here we go. The winner of this mispronouncing competition is origins. Okay, Mr. President, first word I want you to pronounce is origins.
Oranges.
Okay, pardon me?
Oranges.
I'm sorry.
Oranges.
Come again.
Oranges.
Could you repeat it, please?
Oranges.
Okay, that pronunciation is so far off. Okay, next word is anonymous.
Anonymous, really anonymous.
Okay, here's an easy one. I hope you know him. Mike Pence, Vice President of the United States.
Mike Pounds.
How about United States?
United States.
Venezuela.
A few weeks ago, on January 23rd, Venezuela's national assembly.
Okay, Mr. President, I'm sorry. I don't know. You were trying to pronounce Venezuela. Maybe you're talking about vegetable lasagna. I have no idea, right? But if you think that was just a simple slip of the tongue, you would be wrong. It is an all-night struggle.
Venezuela's, so they are risking their lives, and Venezuela's.
God. How about Nevada?
Nevada.
Oh, Jesus.
Let's say China.
Go for it.
China. 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 China.
Wow, how did you do that?
Donald Trump's very, very large brain.
Okay guys, that's it for today's lesson. Before we talk about the difference between all these mispronounced words, I just want you guys, especially non-native speakers, take a moment and just feel proud and know that even native speakers mess up, okay? So you should feel good about yourself for messing up, because English is not your native language. Okay, take a lot of care and catch you up. Cheers.
'Cause I got you.